Boom. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. If you don't know who I am, I do makeup and fun body painting, face paint, stuff like that. Fun stuff, so you should definitely keep watching. Today we are doing Pennywise, if you couldn't tell. So let's just jump into it. So the first thing we are going to do is glue down the eyebrows with some Elmer's non-toxic glue. It does come off with water, so don't worry. Right here, we're just taking off some oils of the skin with some alcohol on a Q-tip. Now we're just going in, really coat those hairs and brush them up so that they stick down. You don't want any stray hairs or anything popping through the makeup. So we are going to use liquid latex. This is my first attempt ever at doing liquid latex, so go easy on me in the comments for sure. We are going to paint black underneath so that you can't see through the teeth. That way, you know, it's just like a seamless mouth. And then map out where the prosthetic is going to be just so that you know where to put the latex at. And then I just started dabbing it everywhere. So let it dry a little bit and then stick it down. Right here there was like a ton of gaps because I made this prosthetic on a face that wasn't my face. So I am taking tissue and then coating it with more latex and then just sticking it in the gaps. Just be careful around the eyes for sure. And then definitely want a blow dryer around because it takes forever to dry. And it does really help if you're impatient like me. Okay, so once you have that dry, you're gonna powder it like a lot. Also, the prosthetic was pretty big, so I am cutting pieces off. Definitely be careful when you're cutting around your face. And then I'm sticking more latex underneath and then trying to stick down that edge because it was really not working for me. So now we're going in with a white cream paint and we're just sticking that all around. Once you get it on the brows, you definitely want to powder it right away, which is what I'm doing right here, because the brows do lift up with water-based stuff. So this is like a wet paint, so you definitely want to dry it out as much as you can and not let the brows lift up. Now we're going in with a multi-stick from Wet n Wild. It's just like a black cream paint, basically like the one we just used that was white. And then sticking that around the eyes and setting it with some black eyeshadow and just kind of blending that around. So right here, I started realizing that the prosthetic was pretty heavy and it was pulling down on my face. So I got some tape and yeah. So we're just going in hard with the shading right now and then adding the little cracks to his forehead. And then I'm taking a red cream paint and doing his iconic clown nose and stripes. And then just kind of blending that, make it a little messy because, you know, he's not like the most perfect clown ever. So I'm kind of just like messing it up a little bit. Now we're taking a red face paint that's a water-based paint, not a cream paint, and painting the lips. So I'm trying to get, you know, get his smile to pop a little. And then now I'm taking a yellow cream paint. You're gonna wanna put like the smallest amount ever and then kind of blend it down the way I'm doing right here, just so it's not too much. And then I'm taking a brown cream paint and just kind of shading it a little more because right where your lips are going over your teeth would be a little darker just for the shading. And then shading in under his cheeks just to give that a little bit more dimension because I feel like you couldn't see it as well as I wanted. And then just adding a little bit shading around his lips and nose to give more dimension as well. And now we're using a white face paint just to kind of pop those teeth out a little bit. And then last, we're doing a black shadow just to really give the depth that I wanted. Now is the wig. So this was a new wig, and I felt like it was kind of too nice for Pennywise, so I am teasing all the hairs. I mean, if you want to ruin a wig, this is a good way to do it, but Pennywise needed to be a little messed up for me, so I am teasing all the hairs back with a little brush. And there you go. There it is. I got a balloon. I drew a little skull on it just to kind of creep you out. I am using some contacts because he does have yellow eyes. And I hope you guys like it. If you did, please smash that like button. Please subscribe because I will be doing videos all month. All 31 days of October have looks. If you want to see all the photos, do follow me on Instagram. If you want to see a video of me ripping that prosthetic off my face, follow me on TikTok. And all my socials are right here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.